गरीब लोग, किसान, मजदूर, महिलाएं सब लाइन में खड़े हैं और जो काला धन वाले हैं वो बैंक के पीछे से पैसा निकालते हैं। कहीं 100 करोड़ मिलता है, कहीं 15 करोड़ मिलता है। एक सेकंड कहीं 15 करोड़ मिलता है। बीजेपी का नेता कर्नाटक में 500 करोड़ की शादी कराता है। ये पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? आप जवाब दो मुझे। इनके पास 2000 रुपए नहीं मिल रहा है, वहाँ पे 500 करोड़ कैसे आ रहा है? पुराने नोट नहीं, नए नोट भीड़ में लग जाए, कहाँ से आ रहा है? आपकी पार्टी मोदी जी ने कहा था मैं भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ लड़ूंगा। भ्रष्टाचार को उन्होंने बढ़ावा दिया। भैया पूरा नया ब्लैक मार्केटिंग का सिस्टम किया।
राहुल जी एक राहुल जी हो गया भैया।
Okay, that reaction coming in from Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi once again launching a scathing attack on the government's demonetization scheme and the way it has unfolded in the last 50 days. Going across to my colleague Samya now, she's tracking developments on this front. Samya, the Congress has made it clear today by launching back-to-back attacks that we are keeping a close watch on how the entire demonetization scheme is unfolding and we will not lose any opportunity to corner you.
Well, that's right. The Congress leaders, especially the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, is leaving no stone unturned to target the government right now, the present dispensation, saying that the government has really played and trivialized the matter of Indian economy vis-a-vis introducing the demonetization without preparedness and questioning the implementation that has led to a widespread hardship on the part of the people on ground. That is the charge that the Congress party is leading from the opposition party's end. Remember, it's already been a month since the demonetization drive has been introduced by the government, and was the Congress party which managed to consolidate the opposition parties in the parliament and not letting the house function. Both houses of parliament has been almost a washout throughout the winter session of the parliament. Last few days remains to be seen whether at all the government and the opposition party could reach a consensus of sorts, a mid-ground of sorts, whereby the opposition party does a climb down, because we had seen how the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi wanted to make a statement, a speech that he was ready with for Lok Sabha. What we have just seen a short while back is that Rahul Gandhi interacting with people and common people, especially in places like Dadri, Navi, UP, in the Sabzi Mandi, vegetable market, has been trying to talk about how the government is trying to use the common people's money and hold them into ransom to try and favor certain corporators and big business house owners who have been the tax evaders, who are essentially those who are the tax holders, and the government is trying to ensure that the banks function on the basis of the money that has been deposited by the common people. He raises questions like those standing in the queues clearly are not the ones who are the black money holders. It is the common man, salaried income people, the tax payers who have to go through the entire ordeal of getting their due, is what Rahul Gandhi tried to highlight. He has